Hey guys, hope everyone is quarantining all right. I just put together this little quick video to help you guys to give a little preview of what our PowerPoint could look like. And so I have last year's PowerPoint up, and I'll just give a couple examples. Obviously, this will look a little bit different, but hopefully we can like start practicing and whatnot with this. And so once you're sent the PowerPoint to start recording your own slides, you'll open the PowerPoint just like it is here. It'll be in the home view like this. You'll go to the slideshow, which is up top here. And to record each slide, they can be their own recording. So you just hit record slide. You must be clicked on the slide that you want to record. So if I want to record Jules's here, I need to be clicked on this before I hit record. So I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to hit record slideshow. This is the view that it's going to present in. And right now, if you see, it's actually recording my voice. It's counting how long I'm taking and whatnot. And when I'm done, there's going to be at the top left, it'll say end show. So after you've said what you need to on your script, it'll be at the top. You'll hit end show. And then it'll ask you, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it'll ask you, your total time was 23 seconds. Do you want to save this? If you're happy with it, you say yes. Even if you're not happy with it, I recommend you say yes, because this is now the form it opens up in. And you see, it asked me if it was 23 seconds. I'm going to click back on this slide. And we see now it's added down here in the right-hand corner of the recording. And now I can listen to see if I actually like my recording. Slideshow, this is the view that it's going to present in, and right now if you see, it's actually recording my voice. So there's an example. If you don't like what's there, you can click on this icon, you hit delete, and now it's gone and you can re-record that slide. Another thing to consider when you are hitting record, so I'm going to do it specifically for this slide, I'm going to have a lot of animations, and so as you talk, make sure you click when you want the animation to show up, because that's how it's going to be saved. So if I start talking about Northern Hills, and now I know the next one is going to be B Suite, and then the next one will be Get Connected, because we have the view of the next slide is on the right-hand side. They can't see that yet, so don't talk about the next slide yet. Only talk about what's on your slide, but make sure you're clicking through the animations. And then again, you'll hit end slide. You'll hit yes if you want to save it, and then you'll make sure that's there. So what we're going to do for each of the slides, because it's obviously going to be different for each person, and we're going to have multiple slides saved. Say you have slide 8, 7, 6, and 5, or whatever, you will send, once you have those slides ready, you're going to send me the PowerPoint, and then I'm going to have to combine the final PowerPoint with everyone's voices combined. So really make sure you're only recording your lines per each slide, because if not, it'll make the editing process way off, because every time that you're on a slide, that recording is linked with that slide now. So I'll be able to edit them all together as long as you guys keep your slides with your recordings and send them to me separate of the saved PowerPoint. I really hope this makes sense. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and we can talk about it next week on Zoom as well.